In fact, we got inspired by Nissan. Nissan moves people with their cars, and so what we wanted to do is to move people, meaning bringing them emotions with our show. We believe that the technology is at the service of human, of entertainment, of art, and I think that Nissan shares the same point of view. You'll see, but the drone show is so exciting because it's a new mix of movement, colors, music, and it's something you want to share with many people as possible. That's why streaming this live event is a good way to share the magic. And besides, for all the São Paulo Jockey Club's neighborhood, I'm convinced that it will be a huge surprise and a perfect gift by Nissan Brazil to see under their windows their first drone show in Latin America. I hope they will keep it in mind for many, many years. First, we have to pre-calculate the trajectories of each of the 400 drones. That's as if we were writing the score as a musician. Then each drone, as a soloist, knows precisely what he has to do during the show. And on the top, we have a unique remote pilot that can monitor through a unique interface all the fleet and of course give the synchro in order for the drones to start their score at the right time. At the beginning of the project, 5 weeks ago, we were 10 people working on the project in France. We had the artistic director, our choreographer, our show manager, and even our admin manager in order to bring and ship all the half of the ton equipment here in Brazil. Then we arrived here in Brazil and we were welcomed, thanks to Nissan Brazil, with a highly professional team helping us here. And now just look around, there's hundreds of people helping us to deliver this impressive and huge show here in São Paulo. In fact, we like to say that thanks to our technology, we transformed the sky into the largest screen on Earth. For this São Paulo and Nissan Brazil show, we turned it into a screen of 200 meters large, 100 meters high, and really what you have also to keep in mind is that our show is 3D, meaning that the screen also is 100 meters depth. It took 2 weeks to program the drones. At first, it's an artistic task to define with Nissan Brazil's team what is the mood, what are the colors, what are the movement, what are the patterns that fits the brand's value. And then there is an important guy in the team, in the French team, which has an unusual job. He is the choreographer, and so he transformed this storyboard into a real drone show that fits the drone's specification in terms of speed, in terms of autonomy. Of course, in such huge event, there's multiple challenges. First one is of course technical, but on this one we can rely on our technology and also on our engineers in France. Second is also logistics, because we had to bring half of a ton equipment and especially 1,200 batteries through airplane. And the last one, and not the least, it was to first find the right venue that could host such a huge show and of course adapt to local environment. We are a 4-year-old company, but in fact we already done drone shows in more than 20 countries. In Europe, France, Spain, Italy, Ukraine, in Asia, in Malaysia, in China, and even in the Middle East, Oman, Dubai, Saudi Arabia. We had many chances to come to Brazil that we could not fulfill, and so that's why we really appreciate Nissan's Brazil invitation to come here in São Paulo and to perform the first drone show in all Latin America today. This moment was really exciting, so I would definitely love staying here in Brazil and perform many drone shows. I will come back as soon as possible here in Brazil with the team.